what is the RSI in the market? How does it work? And what is the ideal RSI level? Yeah, so I'll show you here with random stocks. So after you do your research on fundamentals and valuation, and you complete the investment write-ups I provide you with in the MBA program, what you can do is you can look at technical analysis. And pardon me. And what technical analysis will do is it will kind of help you understand when a stock is oversold. Okay, so let me go to Tesla, I guess. Okay, so the RSI, what you do here is and don't ever pay for any market data or opinions from anybody, please. But you go here to charts, okay? And then once you have the chart here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my face off in the corner. It's like a Canadian hockey reference, eh? All right, here we go, good. All right, so let's look here at the chart of Tesla, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the relative strength indicator down here to the bottom. And the way you do that is you go here to indicators, and then you click here on RSI. And whenever you see a reading of 80, meaning the green line, that means sell, right? After you do your research, obviously. And whenever you see a reading of 20, that means buy. Okay, the red is buy. And this will make more sense in a second. It doesn't always work though, please. Okay, so let's go here to just a 2-year of Tesla. Here we go. And down here we have the RSI. Okay, so right up here, it got to a reading of 91, which is insanely overbought. And that was last fall, November. And that's when Elon was selling shares in Tesla. Okay, so you sell there because it's overbought. And lo and behold, it worked, right? The stock actually consolidated lower. And we haven't gotten to oversold in Tesla in quite a while. Let me see here. The red line is 30 at the bottom. Right here almost did. And then you saw a little bit of a bounce, well, a big bounce. The stock was 37 and then it went up to 52. And some people like to look at 30 and 70. I'm traditional when it comes to this, old school. I like to look at 20 and 80. And if you have additional questions about that, please let me know. And thank you as always. I always want you to focus on fundamentals first, valuation second to come up to your target price and be long-term focused. And a distant third is technical analysis.